Welcome back, guys. My name is Tyler with the Dividend Stock King with another video. And before I start this video, I am not a stock expert. I'm not giving financial and stock advice. Please consult an expert, a CPA, for investing in the stock market. Invest at your own risk. Right now, I'm talking about AGNC. AGNC. Before I get into the video, head over to the link below, the description box below. I have a course called Legendary Marketer. You know, on my YouTube channel, I talk about dividend paying stocks for passive income. You know, my goal is to make $500 a month in passive income to pay the light bill and the water bill. And if I do this for the next 5 to 10 years, I could be making $1,000 per month in dividends. And that's fantastic. But guess what? To live off dividends, you need a lot of money. That's a long time to get. So one thing I would advise people to do is start an online business. Working 2-3 hours a day on your online business with dividend investing, you can live the passive, the laptop lifestyle, the dividend lifestyle, and both are passive income streams of income. Okay, this course is $7, one-time fee, and also with this course, you get a personal one-on-one business plan advisor. You go on a Zoom call with this coach to walk you through the steps, help you develop a business plan for your needs. Okay, so that's in the description box below. Check that out for more information. AGNC, as you see here, I don't promote, I don't talk about a stock unless I actually own the share. I own 90 shares of AGNC. This is another monthly paying dividend stock. All right. My average cost is $14.73. And the cost now is $17.93. Not a big bump, but right now, the past 5 years, the 5-year trend looks pretty good. There's some down moments, but it always stayed around that $17, $18 range. 2020, we got to $19 and dropped. Now it's back on the ride. Now it's going back to pretty much where it was before the pandemic. So that's great news. Okay, that's great news. The 5-year track looks pretty good. If I see that track, that big drop in March 2020 is going back to where it was, that's a great sign. I don't like seeing, that downward slope. I want to see an upward slope in that consistency. This pays a 12-cent per month dividend. I bought shares here and there. Haven't really focused on it, but I bought shares. I'll probably invest more. And we'll go into the dividends here. I got paid April 12th, and it pays 12 cents per share. I got paid $10.44 in passive income. So this is the website here. Excuse me, come out outside. I got bad allergies. This is the website here, and you can see all the information that you need is right here. They're real estate investment trust. They invest predominantly in agent residential mortgage-backed securities on a leveraged basis through collateral borrowing structural repurchasing agreements. Okay, so they've been around for a good while. Since 2008, they've been around. So they've been around a good little while. So it's an older company. Yeah, go to the website and check it out for yourself. Go to the investors tab. It has all the information for you to learn. Just go to Seeking Alpha here. We'll go to dividends. This is not one of my factors because my last couple of videos ago I did Orchard. I did ORC or Orchard Island Capital, and you see it was $14 cents a share. Then went to 11 cents a share. Then 9 cents a share. Then 5 cents a share. It went to 1 cent a share. It's consistently going down, so it's not consistent, and I don't like that. And the slope was like going this way. So you see here, if you see here, in the past it has been paying a good monthly dividend of 16 cents per share. You see in February of 2020, it was 60 cents a share, and then once May hit. Once the pandemic hit, everything closed and people couldn't pay their mortgages, it dropped to 12 cents and been paying 12 cents ever since. Okay, so not a big drop. It dropped maybe, 4 cents. It didn't cut it in half. They never suspend the dividend. they just cut it back some. So I think, my personal opinion, is going back on the uptick. They'll probably wait for a while. They probably don't increase anything probably the rest of the year to see what happens next year. This is my educated guess. But it was paying a nice hefty dividend of 16 cents per month. And before it was 18 cents per month, but they dropped it down to 16 cents per month, which is still a good size dividend. Even 12 cents is not bad either. So here's another monthly dividend paying stock that a lot of people have talked about, and I own 90 shares of it. I plan on doing more. They pay on the 10th of the month, or the 11th of the month. So they don't see, most stocks pay on the 15th and the 30th, so the halfway and near the end of the month or beginning of the month. AGNC pays like 10 days into the month, so I kind of like that it pays on the 10th of the month. We go back to my dividend history. I paid on the 11th of April, the 9th of March, February 9th, January 12th, December 9th, November 10th, October 9th, 9/11, August 11th. So you see that it pays around the 10th, 11th, 9th month, day of the month, which is pretty cool because all my stocks pay the 30th or the 15th. So it's nice to get a dividend income. Every couple of weeks I get a dividend income on the 10th, 15th, and end of the month. Now, I have not found many monthly paying stocks that pays on the 10th of the month. And that's really interesting too. I like that it pays on the 10th. So you can really invest in this company and really get a nice $100 dividend in the 10th of the month. And 5 days later, you get another dividend. And then 15 days later, you get another more dividends. So I like that AGNC. Nobody talked about it. It pays on the 9th, 10th of every month. So you get nice dividend income coming in. So you're consistently buying stocks every other week. So I like that about the AGNC. I was like, I like getting a dividend on the 10th, then on the 15th, then on the 30th. So I like that as well. So that's a pretty cool thing that people don't know about. If you want to get paid, instead of waiting 15 days, you get paid on the 10th and the 15th and the 30th. That's amazing. But you see here, I keep scrolling down the 12th, the 9th, the 10th. So it pays before the 15th dividend. My Main Street Capital, my Armor REIT, they both pay. Horizon, so Armor REIT paid on the 30th. Horizon Technology and Main Street Capital, they both pay on the 15th. So I get paid both on the same day. It's good to get a dividend, nice dividend, on the 10th, so I could buy some shares, something, and I get paid 4 or 5 days later. So I like that. So that's the end of the video. Do your own research, dig into the numbers. Is it a good company? By looking at the 5-year statistics, looks pretty good to me. I like it. To cut the dividend, but I expect that when the government allow people not to pay rent, I think all real estate apartments and homes took a beating because people wasn't working. The government allowed people not to pay rent for a certain amount of time. They give stimulus checks. So you gotta take the pros and cons with the good with the bad. So still not a bad company. It's still going back up. It pays a monthly dividend of 12 cents per month, which is pretty nice. It may go up in the future, but who knows? So hey, look. Check out Less Than Marketer below. We need to start building more passive income. We need to dividend investing is great, but we need a lot of money to retire on. Let's start investing in dividend-paying stocks. Let's start building an online business, and Less Than Marketer can help you do that. So I have links below the box below. My name is Ty from AGNC.com. Thank you for watching.